guys, welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day to be alive. It's morning, everybody's hungry. I just made a birdie burrito. Just want to show you what my birds are eating today. So as you can see, they have here, I have here 6 dishes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can see they got a really organic, nice tortilla with sweet potatoes, strawberry, blueberry, all the good stuff. Sweet potatoes, beets, spinach, and gazama beans, strawberries. Oh, they're all hungry, so let's go feed them. Glory, this is first. Glory. Breakfast, come on. Breakfast. Come on, Glory, go eat breakfast. Good girl. Good girl, good breakfast. Destiny and Fifi, go eat breakfast. Go eat your breakfast. Fifi, where's Fifi? Destiny. And here's Fifi. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Hope, Love, and Angel. Hoppy, Angel, come. Put this in Angel's cage. Hi, Hoppy. So Angel's going to breakfast. Next is Love. Love, come on. Your turn. And then Hope feet last. Go eat. And then this is Hoppy's. Because he gets a bowl. Come on, Hoppy. Good boy. So I want to show you what I feed my birds for breakfast. This is for Angel. Just a big heavy bowl because he's going to dump the bowl. And because it's so heavy, he can't dump it. And during the day, he's going to dump all the food out. So yeah, this is all for Angel. So this is Hope's. He has kale, pepper, a loquat from our loquat tree. He has mango. He has a grape. And he has apples. And this is Destiny's. And this is Favorite. Doesn't eat. And of course, they have here a raw corn, uncooked raw corn. Hope you want to go and check it out? Hope is right here. And hi, Hoppy. Here, this is your food. Come, let's put it on your table. We put it right here on top of his cage. And usually we also give him a walnut. Look, just dump it in there. And he goes for the walnut first. Go get it. Go get it, Hoppy. Yeah. Go get it. Good. Go eat. Breakfast time. Oh. No, you don't want to go eat? You want to play? He wants to play. He wants to play. Alright, so let's feed Dan Angel. This is Angel's. Angel. Hi. Forgery. Good. Eat your food. Here. So this is LORIKEET nectar. Mixed with fresh apple juice. That's why that's the foam. There's the juicer. We just juice some fresh apples. Oh! And here's my little LORIKEET Angel. Angel, do you want some fresh nectar? Yeah. Oh! Come, have some fresh nectar. Oh, look who's coming down. Oh! Oh, he loves the LORIKEET powder. I know, it's your food. It's your food. Here. Here. Oh, you love. Are you happy? So this is a birdie burrito. Just good stuff in here. Justin, you want a burrito? Here, eat your burrito. Oh, girly girl likes the burrito. Girly girl. Here, eat your burrito. Here, Justin, eat your burrito. Baby, eat your burrito. Oh, burrito time. And the other one is for Angel. Let's go get Angel. Burrito. Yeah, look. Yeah, burrito. Eat your burrito. Yeah, today's burrito for dinner. Yeah. His eyes are flashing. enjoying your Bottlebush? Hi, Hopi. Hi. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Go get some Bottlebush. He just re-related. Hi, Destiny. What are you doing? Did you eat pepper? Did you eat pepper? Were you hungry? I see you had pepper. Oh. Did you have pepper? Yeah, your beak tells me you had pepper. It's all red. Yeah. Oh, where are you going? Oh, where are you going? Don't put your pepper beak in my computer. Oh, come on. Destiny, poo-poo. 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 Ah! Good boy. Oh, poo-poo. Good boy. Good. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Angel is sharing with me my quesadilla. Hi, Angel. Oh, you're so cute. Did you just take a bath? He just took a bath. Yeah. Eating some cilantro. It's a beautiful day today, Angel. Yeah. He's so cute. Enjoy. Enjoy the quesadilla. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Tell me what you feed your birds, and I'll see you next time. Bye.